Hey, good afternoon. It's Willie at Iron Horse Truck Services. Today, we're going to talk about hub pilot versus stud pilot so you guys have a better idea of how to identify them when you're talking to the parts guy or when the guys in the shop are trying to talk the same language. So, if you look here, this is for a stud pilot. So, what stud pilot means is this stud, because it's flanged, is what centers that wheel on your hub. Now this particular one is going to be for an aluminum wheel because it's tapered, and then this long edge there makes it for aluminum wheel. This one, you see how there's no extra lip there for the aluminum wheel, so this is going to be for a steel wheel. And then this shank is extra length, so it's going to be for an aluminum outer wheel. So this one, you can see the lip we're talking about. This is an aluminum inner and an aluminum outer. And then they come in right hand, which means righty-tighty. This one is a left, so that's lefty-tighty. They go on specific sides of the truck. This is your nut. They fit either one, it doesn't matter. And then this inner piece is called a thimble. So a couple things to keep in mind is this is 1.5 inches, and then the square for the thimble is inside there, so it goes in there and you can take it off with your gun. Sometimes these get a little stripped, so then you have a square socket that they make just for those. But also what happens is you'll get these caught on your wheel. I'm sure you guys taking wheels off have had this problem. Some guys get pretty savage and use a torch, but they make what I call it a pork chop. So they make this tool, and it goes around this nut, and then this goes in the hole next to it, and then you put this socket on here, and then you can just spin it with your impact, and then it'll spin these two apart. Because usually when that happens, these two are pretty galled together and they don't want to come apart. So there's your explanation of a stud pilot. So then the other one you're going to have is hub pilot, and that's this guy here, the metric 33 millimeter. There's no inner outer, it's just one, holds on both wheels. The only thing that's going to stop you from going aluminum is going to be your stud length. So obviously, there you go, you're off to the races. So hope that helps everybody with identifying stuff. Have a great day.